Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gardening Passion. Rashna this side, and today I will take the topic of euphorbias. First I will start with Euphorbia Lactea. This is also called a ghost tree. It lacks the chlorophyll content, that's why it look more of like a ghost. And this one is Euphorbia Trigona. Euphorbia Trigona is also called African milk tree. It can go up to 6 to 8 feet height. As the name suggests, it is from Central Africa. And this green one is a dragon bone. It is native to tropical Asia, India. It may survive like bright light condition. You can keep it indoor as well, but it needs a filter light. And these euphorbias you have to fertilize in summer or springtime. This one is Euphorbia knuthii. It is native to South Africa. It grows best in black soil. And it has a tuberous main root forming cortex like adeniums. It has underground rhizomes as well, so it will do well in partial sun, and you can fertilize in spring and autumn. This one is Euphorbia acnes. It resembles a giant hedgehog. I have the grafted version of this one, and this one is native to Morocco. Basically, they are lowland plants, succulents. They grow near coastal habitats, and they have a low transpiration rate, which ensures water retention. So, which is basically the quality of succulent itself. Regarding sunlight, as all euphorbias need some kind of filtered or direct sunlight. This one is Euphorbia MEDUSAE, and it is native to Cape Town, South Africa. As name suggests, Medusa means serpent. So you can see the structure is kind of a serpent-like stems arising from the central cortex. And this plant requires some kind of afternoon shade. Do well in a filtered light, not the indirect light, I'm talking about the filtered light. This one is Euphorbia Horrida. It is native to South Africa. It's also called African milk barrel. It is kind of color is blue-green with rich spiny stems. With age it forms tight clumps, which look really beautiful. This one is Euphorbia DECARYI, endemic to Madagascar, a natural habitat at tropical dry forest, and it is an endangered species. Basically, it is a perennial leafy succulent shrub with zigzag edged leaves. If you can see the stem is like a root-like structure. It looks like a root spirally covered with leaves. You can see it's kind of corky root-like structure, which give like a bonsai look to this plant. So this is used for miniature version of bonsai also, and I'm also planning the same, like to give a bonsai look, to give a jungle look to this pot. So this is a different kind of euphorbia. This one is Euphorbia Lactea. It is also called pine cone euphorbia. It is native to South Africa. It is over harvested because of some medicinal properties, and it is winter dormant. It has like male plant and female plant, different plants it has. This one is Euphorbia OBESA, baseball plant. It comes from South Africa. In wild it is endangered because of over collection. It basically grow in a region of South Africa, Karoo. This is another plant of Euphorbia OBESA, and you can see their flowers there. So different plants are like, it has a male plant and a female plant, but I don't have any idea whether it is female or male. But I have two plants of Euphorbia OBESA here, and it widely cultivated in botanical gardens, so it is not an endangered species now. This one is another variety of Euphorbia DECARYI. It is called DECARYI.V.SPIROSTICHO. It has like a same corky-like stem, but it is most, you can say, a thinner version of Euphorbia DECARYI. So both the plants you can use for making miniature bonsais, and both are beautiful. You can propagate by cutting. Any Euphorbia plant you can plant it by cutting. You just take the cutting and just wash it, and after 1 or 2 days apply some rooting hormone and plant it there. This one is Euphorbia SEPULTA. It is a rare compact perennial succulent, and I have the grafted version of this Euphorbia. You can see the clump is there and very small in size. It needs a proper sunlight. So this one is very beautiful Euphorbia SEPULTA. You can propagate by cutting also. Just take out one bud and you can easily propagate with the help of rooting hormone. This one is Euphorbia FEROX. You have another variety in Euphorbia palvinata aggregata. It's a similar kind of variety, and it is native to South Africa in Great Karoo, and it prefers light shade, filtered light, and it forms a clump like structure, and it looks really beautiful. When I get this plant I have only one bud, you can say, and now I have 3 plants. I can just cut it and propagate it into a different plant. See how beautiful it is. Regarding propagation, you have to be very careful because it produces a toxic substance which is really harmful for your skin and eyes. So always wear long sleeves clothes and gloves to avoid exposure to sap. And whenever you take up cutting, just take it during the active growth period, that is a summer period, and wash the sap and dip it in a rooting hormone powder and allow it to dry, and callus over for around a week, and stick that cutting in the soil and mist it properly. Regarding soil mix, you have to take 1/4 garden soil, 1/4 sand, and 1/4 vermicompost. That is a basic structure of the soil. And you can add the neem cake, bone meal, and charcoal if you have. So this is the soil structure. These are my blooming cactus this week. This one is Rubisha hybrid, crafted variety, and it is in a super bloom this week. You can see how beautiful it is, red flowers. red crown like flowers. Another one is Mammillaria Fraileana. Crown like structure. They bloom in a circular pattern actually, Mammillaria. Most of the Mammillaria bloom in a circular way. So if you like my channel, subscribe my channel and just share some comment on my channel. This one is also grafted version of Euphorbia, blooming this week. So don't forget to like and subscribe.